Hello, Extension Tips and Tricks here. In this tutorial, I will show you on how to bring in font into your CAD. Sometimes we receive projects or CAD drawings from someone, and in that CAD drawings, it has its own font or text style. So as you can see in my screen, I have here a drawing that has annotations. So as you notice, currently it is just a single line text, and even the dimensions are single line text. So we can double check that one by going into this text style. I will show it to you now. Text options. Current text style is XTY-1. And if we go to annotate tab, and if we go to this arrow, we can check XTY1 font, which is art style. Obviously, it's not yet installed in my CAD or in my system. All right, I will show you now step by step on how to bring this font into, be showing or activated in my drawing. Let's close this one for now. I have here a folder that has that font, which is art style. All right, so as you can see, art style, all you have to do is, let's say, go to Drive C, open new window, and then Drive C, program files. So if you're using a 64-bit Windows or operating system, you can choose this one. But if you're just using a 32-bit, choose this one. All right. Okay, let's go for this one because I'm using 64-bit. I will open program files and then look for Autodesk, then Autocad 2023, then go to fonts. Let's go to the fonts. There you go. It's here. So let's just drag and drop it here. Continue. Perfect. And I also have the X hand. So let's drag that one as well. I like this font, X hand. Oh, it's already there. Right, it's close and close. Let's check. So as you can see, I already dragged the art style fonts, which is the the font of this text style, but it's not showing. Still showing a single line text. So the reason is that in installing font in AutoCAD, we have to close the CAD application and then reopen it in order to to activate those fonts into our CAD. So let's do that now. Oh, not just the project, we have to close the actual CAD application. All right. So okay, let's open it again. There you go. And then let's open this one. Perfect. It is showing proper. As you can see, the font style is showing. The text is nice. There you go. That's all. Remember, I also drag Xhand 1 font style, which I set this up. So currently it is under style, text style testing. And if we go to our text style manager, this is the testing. So let's try changing that to Xhand. Xhand. There you go. And then apply, then close. Oh, it's not working. There you go. So yeah, this is the Xhand and this is the art style. So see the difference. I will share this font to you guys. I will create a description link below in this video, plus these fonts that I have. I will show you now. If I go to fonts library, so on more. So these fonts, I think it's more than 1,000 fonts. So just in case you like this one, you can check the description below and you can download it. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you so much, guys.